Cotton swabs are the essential tools for personal care, and to produce it requires a complete production line. Our cotton swab machine and the round box packaging machine ensure high-quality production. The speed of this machine is 1,300 pieces per minute. It can feed the raw materials, form the cotton swab, put them into boxes, and tighten the lids automatically. Meanwhile, we have this quality control system, which can remove the disqualified products and replace them with good ones. The whole production line helps to save the labor costs and improve the overall quality. Let's see how it works.